Stephen A., do you see him being the top wide receiver in the league this year?
No.
He's focused, man.
No, I do not. No, I do not. Now, I do understand. I want to make sure I preface my comments. I recognize who they got at quarterback.
A few moments later.
That guy's Clayton Kershaw in baseball. Dodgers would have won a couple World Series already if Clayton Kershaw was just himself under
Way to
pressure.
work it in.
That's it. That is Odell Beckham
that's
Jr.
blasphemy. That's
Wait a minute.
blasphemy.
Finish.
Hold on, I'm
Go
developing a
ahead.
thesis.
Go ahead.
Hurry
So,
up.
with Koufax and Valenzuela, too, they did fine.
Time. Stop it. And then you wonder why the dude that's tired come post.
Partner. He's better than him every other time.
We're talking about football.
Excuse me.
But that's the same thing with Odell. Odell's better than everyone all the time, except for when it matters.
I told you I'm talking. Then I just listened to you and your dissertation. You listen
Go
up.
ahead.
You just
Fair
watch
enough.
your tongue when it comes to Kershaw. Now back to Odell Beckham Jr. The question.
Dude, what,
Do
can you
you
just
see him being the top
Oh,
wide
so
receiver?
that's looking
Time out.
forward.
Let me finish. I understand where you're coming from. I'm talking about the dissertation that you gave off. What I'm saying to you is this: Julio Jones is the best. Blah 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 blah
Yeah.
blah. Now, tell on
You are lying
Your
to the
face is
American
lying.
public. That's what you
Why
are
are you
saying.
cheesing
That's
right
my
now?
story. I'm sticking to it.
Yeah, okay.
Now,
You're the
listen,
worst liar
hold on,
ever.
hold on.
Julio